that's a good way of starting all of this. I want to ask you about this council action, Richard Tice. Are reform-led councils going to pursue the same action? Will, in the councils you control, 10 of them, will you be objecting legally to asylum hotels within those councils?
Yes, absolutely. Our council leaders will be instructing legal departments to pursue all legal avenues after this ruling, which is very significant because it's a temporary injunction based on the fact that there has been a material change in use of the building from a hotel, and that's the temporary injunction. So all the reform councils will be pursuing this, and in some areas we're county councils and therefore we don't have direct planning responsibility. And I think not only reform councils, I think other councils up and down the country will be pursuing. This is a major legal precedent that has been set.
Do you think the precedent would actually also exist for things other than hotels, a block of flats or a university accommodation where effectively asylum seekers have been concentrated in that area? Do you think that that would also offer grounds to pursue this?
Yes, and we've already been looking at HMOs that have been wrongly, incorrectly used under current planning laws for housing migrants. So I think everybody will be looking at all of this. And there is actually a simple answer to this, which is that the Home Office needs to process all of these asylum seekers rapidly, promptly, as the Labour government did some 20 plus years ago. And in Epping, for example, they've got until the 12th of September. Well, they've all come here illegally because they've come here without a visa. So they should be processed, their applications should be rejected, and they should be deported. You had on there a Labour minister talking about how he was progressing with their numbers on applications and deportations. Well, get on with it. That's your job.
Some of the asylum seekers, though, will have their asylum granted. And so the question is, while that process is being looked at, I mean, simply coming here without a visa doesn't mean their asylum can't eventually be granted, does it? So they will need...
Well, it does actually, because they've come here illegally. They've broken the law. They are a criminal. It is as simple as that. They have come from a safe country under the UN 51 Convention.